Earn cash with ChatGPT by answering questions. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Welcome back to Profitability Plus, your path to online income, simplified. Get ready to embark on a journey that transforms your knowledge into profits effortlessly. Looking to make money online without the hassle? You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into a method that's perfect for both newcomers and seasoned earners. We'll break down the steps for you to start earning commissions with ease. Let's keep things simple. Making money online doesn't have to be a puzzle. Imagine answering questions and earning. That's what we're bringing to the table. It's like a virtual Q&A that rewards you. So, here's the scoop. We're combining ChatGPT and ClickBank to create a winning formula. Don't worry if those names sound techy. Think of them as tools that turn your expertise into income. Here's the deal. Quora.com is where it all begins. We've got your back as we guide you to create a free account. We're all about solving problems. Your insights are invaluable. And guess what? We'll teach you how to make your answers stand out. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to www.quora.com. Step 2. Open the login screen. You'll see options to continue with email, Google, or Facebook. To sign up with your email address, click Continue with Email. Step 3. Fill in your details. In the full name box, type your name. In the email box, type your email address. In the password box, create a password to secure your Quora account. Step 4. Prove you're not a robot. Check the I'm not a robot box to verify your authenticity. Step 5. Click Sign Up. Your account is now in the works. Step 6. Choose your interests. Quora wants to show you relevant questions and answers. Select topics you're interested in by clicking on them. Click Continue when you've picked at least 3 topics. Step 7. Share what you know. Tell Quora about your expertise. Search for topics you're knowledgeable about and add them to your profile. You can even provide a short statement up to 8 characters or less for each topic to showcase your insights. Step 8. Optional Facebook connection. If you didn't sign up via Facebook, Quora might ask to connect. This helps find friends who are already in Quora. If you're comfortable, connect your Facebook account. If not, click Not Now. Step 9. Confirm your email. Quora may require email confirmation. Check your email for a message from Quora labeled Quora Account Confirmation. Open the email and click the blue hyperlink inside to confirm your email address. How to stand out on Quora. People on Quora craft exceptional answers based on their expertise. Expertise here means in-depth knowledge that goes beyond a simple internet search. For instance, the highest rated answer about the Saturn V rocket often comes from a NASA or JPL expert, filled with unique insights not found elsewhere. Quora rewards your effort with upvotes, directing users to your content based on their interests, past engagement, and upvotes on your previous answers. Focusing on specific topics builds a loyal fan base, enhancing your visibility and credibility. To excel, start with captivating images that engage readers. A well-chosen image grabs attention, while a relevant one offers a deeper connection. For instance, a seemingly ordinary lag photo skyrocketed one of my answers to nearly 2,000 upvotes. Your opening paragraph must intrigue and prompt clicks. It's the window into your answer, and without readers, upvotes can't happen. Avoid overwhelming with walls of text. Organize your answers into sections with bold headings. This approach not only eases digestion but also keeps readers engaged. Now, let's talk ClickBank. This platform is your gateway to a variety of products you can promote. It's not about selling, it's about offering solutions. Don't stress if ClickBank isn't available in your region. We've got alternatives to make sure you're covered. ClickBank Alternatives for 2023. Number 1. Amazon Associates. Number 2. Buy Goods. Third, we have Max Web. Fourth, Rakuten Advertising. Fifth, JV Zoo. Number 6, CJ Affiliate. Number 7, Shopify. And number 8, Share a Sale. How to leverage ClickBank. Think beyond immediate sales. Your landing page is pivotal. Ensure it's user-friendly, sales-driven, and has a compelling call to action to keep visitors engaged. ClickBank also excels in lead generation. Consider it a pathway to nurture relationships. Direct visitors to your site, encouraging them to join your newsletter for ongoing marketing opportunities. Extend beyond your products. Explore affiliate marketing on ClickBank with over 4,000 offerings. Filter by type and commission. Prioritize vendors with trustworthy sales pages for optimal conversions. Begin by curating a website featuring related affiliate offers. Leverage articles to captivate readers and seamlessly integrate ClickBank offers. Use newsletters and a Facebook fan page to promote your content, and consider platforms like Taboola or Outbrain for wider distribution. Enhancing your website's traffic potential requires strategic keyword implementation. Identify commonly searched keywords related to your product. Crafting content around these keywords can drive organic traffic, especially when targeting long-tail phrases. Opt for long-tail keyword phrases as they are specific and less competitive. For instance, rather than focusing on the broad term online poker course, opt for an article addressing a specific query like when to push during a sit and go. This strategy can yield more targeted and valuable traffic. Whether it's your products or someone else's, the prime focus is a functional, error-free website. Early on, prioritize collecting visitor information by offering a newsletter. By consistently publishing this newsletter, you establish a dedicated audience ready to engage with your future offerings. Ready to take the plunge? Join the Profitability Plus community now. Subscribe to our channel. It's more than just a button. It's your access to a wealth of knowledge. And guess what? Subscribing fuels us to create even more content that benefits you. If you're hungry for more insights on making money online, check out our other videos. We're all about keeping you informed and empowered. Profitability Plus is your partner in this online income journey. Imagine earning while sharing what you know best. It's not about reinventing the wheel. It's about transforming your skills into a steady stream of income. Thank you for considering Profitability Plus. Get ready to redefine how you approach online earnings. Your potential is limitless, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.